Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. You probably have a Facebook account, most of us do, and you have probably seen Facebook Messenger on your Facebook page. But have you ever really taken the time to see what it is and how it works? Well, the goal of this class is to teach you the unique benefits of Facebook Messenger, what it does, and when you should be using it. You will learn things like why Messenger is better than simply texting using your smartphone, how to use Messenger for text chats, audio calls, and even video calls, the many ways that Messenger is integrated with Facebook, and how Messenger compares with other messaging apps such as WhatsApp and Instagram. One recent learner commented that I've been seeing Messenger but never tried to use it before. Thanks for showing me what I've been missing. If you're curious about Facebook Messenger, I hope you'll sign up for the class, meet other learners with similar interests, and become part of our lifelong learning community here at Get Set Up.